Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. We all know that during Aero India 2019 show, the HAL Tejas was formally awarded with the final operation clearance. And post that, HAL made a drastic achievement by bringing the first LCA Tejas, which is in final operation clearance block marked as SP21, for first flight by March 2020, which is just in 12 months. To be more precise, HAL achieved the momentous feat within a record time of 12 months after release of drawing applicability list and standard operating procedure by the Center for Military Airworthiness and Certification. So that was about the SP21 aircraft, which took its first flight by March 2020. Coming to the next one in the FOC block, which is the SP22 and SP23, these fighters are likely to take their first flight very soon, and that too by coming weeks. As per the different sources, the two more fighters from the Tejas final operational clearance block, which are marked as SP22 and SP23, might be taking their path to skies by coming weeks. So looks like the low and high speed taxi trials of both these fighters have been completed. The SP21 aircraft, which was delivered to Indian Air Force, is currently undergoing software upgrade and post-delivery checks. And once these things are taken care and completed, it is expected to be with Indian Air Force Squadron by end of this month. Post the delivery of SP21, the 18th Squadron was reformed on April 1, 2020 at Sulur, Tamil Nadu, following which, on 27th May 2020, the FOC variant of Tejas Mark 1 was inducted into this particular squadron. Number 18 Squadron is an air defense unit of the Indian Air Force flying from Sulur Air Force Station, and this squadron is equipped with the indigenous HAL Tejas in FOC configuration. So looks like the delivery of balanced aircrafts to number 18 Squadron is expected to be completed by September 2021 tentatively. So coming to the next target for HAL is to complete the structural build of aircraft which are planned to be produced during this fiscal year, and SP24, SP25, SP26 aircrafts are in various stages of equipping, and these would also be seeing their first flight soon. Coming to the trainer variants, it looks like the manufacturing work is currently underway for the 8th Tejas FOC trainer aircraft, and if HAL sticks to the present plan, the primary trainer will fly out by end of next year. So let us wait to see India's indigenous SP22 and SP23 FOC block Tejas in the sky very soon. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.